So hello everyone and welcome back, and let us continue with the 3D model designing tutorials. If you have not watched my previous video, which is my first video, go have a look at it and clear your basics. How do you operate the software? In this video we are using a onshape web app. We also have an app, a mobile and iOS app for this. Let me get onto my web page in my browser and go to onshape. Okay, the creating of your account and all those I have told in my previous video. Let us start. In this video, we shall create a simple wall holder. I'll show you how it looks as we go on. Here we go. Let me get back to my top plane and let me hide this. I'll hide this and I'll create a new sketch. All these things I have taught in my previous session. Just have a look at it and then come back if you don't understand. I'll click on this top face and click on the tick icon. I have my sketch over here. Now let me create a rectangle over here. Okay, click on escape and here it's ready. Now let me select this area, extrude it. It's too thick. And let me set the width a little bit lesser. I'll keep it to 0.1, 0.1. Okay, this much is enough for us to create it. I'll click on the tick, and now we need to create the holders which will hold this thing to the left and one to the right. Let me come to my right angle. Here we need to create a triangular shaped holders. Now let me create one more sketch over here. Now I'll select this right plane and click on tick. Okay, this is my sketch 2 and this. Here let me use zoom in over here first and use the lines. Start from here till here and get back here. I hope you are able to visualize what I'm trying to do. Okay, so here it is done, and let me click on the tick icon. And now let us select this area and extrude. Let me see, it's in the middle. Okay, okay, no problem. Let me reduce the thickness of it a little bit. Okay, and I'll just tick. Here it's looking good and fine, but it's not in the center. And one more thing is, you need to create a hole in order to drill it. And so what we'll do, we'll select this plane now. We'll create a new sketch and select this plane, click on tick. That is the sketch 3. Now let me visualize. I'll hide this. Now here I am, and now I need to create a hole over here. What can I do is I'll create a circle, click on it. Okay, I can also set the radius of this. As of now, let it be. Now here you can see this is a circle. And now we need to extrude this. What we'll do, I'll just select this circle, sketch 3, and I'll select the area inside the circle. Okay, now we will extrude. In this thing, you need to click on this remove icon. Okay, as you can see, it has been removing a little part. I'll extend this. If it is not in the opposite direction, just change the direction using this arrow mark. Okay, we have created one. Okay, now let me click on this. This is somewhat good, but not a perfect one. Let me get back here and let me get back to the sketch 3. I've not set the diameter of this circle. Let me click on the D or this icon and click on the D. I'll set the diameter or a radius. I'll take 5 millimeter. This looks good. Okay, then. Okay. And we'll set the width and height of this plane as well. We'll see, we have our sketch 1 top view, and I'll fit this to the screen, zoom out, and now let me set the diameters of this. How can I do? Click on the D, first select this sketch, now click on D. Now yeah, this looks good, and I'll extend this to some 80 meter. Okay, and I'll click on this. We'll set it as 150 millimeter. Okay, let it be. Click on tick. Yeah, this is it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will create two of this, one to the right and one to the left. So hope you got it. So thank you.